lovely pineapple motifs which are arranged. Beautiful aremadam motif in the center, arakku color or dark maroon color, which contrasts beautifully with this slate gray. With beautiful floral tutripu motifs, I think, throughout the body. Beautiful color with lovely zari motifs throughout the pallu, rich zari motifs, lovely, and again beautiful floral bud motifs throughout the pallu. Hello Avishya fans and handloom lovers. I'm so happy to meet you today in this edition of Avishya Handloom Stories. Today we are going to be looking at beautiful pure silk Kanjivarams. The festive season is almost upon us, and we at Avishya have put together a lovely collection of different varieties of sarees, especially festive sarees in the silk sarees range. Being a Chennai-based company, Kanjivaram is definitely a specialty with Avishya, and we have put together different collections of Kanjivarams for different groups, depending on your taste, depending on the budget. We have different varieties of Kanjivaram collections. So today, we'll focus on our pure silk Kanjivaram collection. We'll start off with this lovely, beautiful blueberry purple pure silk Kanjivaram saree. I'll just open it out for you, and it's contrasted with the borders. If you see, there's a lovely, beautiful, very nice leaf green border. Beautiful leaf green with beautiful, lovely floral vine motifs on the border. Both sides, in the top, the border is small, and the bottom, the border is a little larger. So this is what in Kanjivaram they call this morning evening border. So in the bottom, apart from the floral vine, of course, if you come closer, you'll notice that the bottom portion is the floral vine and the top portion is a lovely Bhavanji border kind of finish with nice, beautiful rows of paisleys, which is edging here on top and in the bottom as well. So it's a lovely border. And the body has got all over booties, beautiful booties, small booties and large booties. Lovely floral motifs. You come closer, it's almost like a beautiful, very traditional flower and two different sizes, and it's spread all over the body. So it's got a nice, it contrasts, and it's lovely silver zari. It's an antique silver zari finish. So it goes very nicely with the blueberry purple, and the borders, of course, have got a golden zari finish. I'll just open out the saree for you to show you how the whole thing looks together, the body and the pallu. Beautiful, lovely pallu, lovely leaf green with beautiful, lovely pineapple motifs which are arranged in a lovely jali kind of beautiful finish, alternating with beautiful star-shaped motifs. So the star and the pineapple motifs are alternating with each other, and it's all connected to the beautiful, lovely circular rings. So it's got a very rich pallu, and of course the pallu in the very edge has got the lovely winding floral motif which is there in the border. Same kind of finish is there in the pallu as well. So overall, the leaf green contrasts very nicely with this blueberry purple, and it's very exclusive color combination. So it should look very special, and it's a lovely buy for the festive season. Let's see what the blouse looks like. Beautiful, lovely blouse. It contrasts very nicely with the blueberry purple of the body of the saree. And of course, the blouse again has got this border, the small border and the large border on the bottom, which can be used to design the blouse very nicely on the sleeves at the back. So overall, it's a stunning classic saree. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and the bell button so that you keep getting notified about all the sarees that we upload. Next, we look at this beautiful, lovely grey. I would call it a slate grey or a cement grey. It's very nice. It's not as dark to be called elephant grey. No, I think it's slate grey or cement grey. It's beautiful though. It's got a very metallic sheen. If you see the body, it's got beautiful floral motifs of two types. There's a very nice large motif. It's almost like a bunch of flowers, and then there is a smaller motif with just two little florets which are together, and these two motifs keep repeating themselves all over the body. And the borders are again beautiful morning evening borders, and if you see, it's a beautiful winding floral motif, on top, and in the bottom, right at the bottom, the same thing is repeated, but there are two more levels here in the bottom. There is a lovely beautiful aremadam motif in the center. Right in the center, there's a center panel of aremadam, and then on top of that, there's a lovely rows of different motifs here, different traditional motifs. There's a folklore motif, there's a beautiful petal motif, there's a lovely row of temples here, so a lovely rows of motifs here. So all of them together make a lovely large bottom motif. And overall, if you look at it, the borders, it's almost got the finish, though it is not a korwai saree, it's the way it is finished, the contrast it looks like a Korvai saree. It's a beautiful saree. The slate grey is contrasted with the beautiful deep maroon. Let me open out the pallu for you so that you can see what it looks like. Yes, nice, beautiful pallu. Lovely pallu in this arakku color or dark maroon color, which contrasts beautifully with this slate grey. Lovely color combination, and there's again a beautiful jali formation, lovely elliptical jali overall, and within that there are floral motifs. There's a beautiful geometric formation also. So it's a lovely combination design pallu. It's very, very nice. Right in the very end, it's edged by this lovely aremada motif which you've seen in the border. The same thing is there here as well, and it's a lovely classy design. So this is the pallu. Let's see what the blouse looks like. The blouse is, yes, it's a lovely maroon blouse, contrasting really, really pretty way with the body of the saree. Yeah, that's a lovely contrast blouse with again the small border on top and the large border on the bottom, which can be used to decorate the blouse while stitching the saree. And of course, what is very, very nice touch here is that the blouse is not plain. It's got a lovely self-design. If you come closer, you can see this beautiful self-design. It's almost embossed design on the blouse. It's very, very pretty. Looks very exclusive. Beautiful saree. Right, let's move on to the next saree. Next, we'll quickly have a look at the beautiful bright orange Pure Silk Kanjivarams saree. Lovely bright orange with a little bit of a pinkish tone to it. It's really pretty. You can make a splash at a party or a wedding with this kind of a color. It's a lovely bright color with beautiful floral tutripu motifs, I think, throughout the body. And on the top and bottom, you have the morning evening border formation. Top is a very, very thick, flat Bhavanji border kind of style with edging in Rudraksham and temples on top. In the bottom, you have a row of beautiful paisleys and floral motifs in the bottom. If you come close, you can see this lovely, lovely formation of paisleys and floral motifs in the bottom. And again, in the edging, the same what is there on the top. Lovely Bhavanji border with a little bit of the Rudraksham motif is there. And right in the very edge, you have these lovely temple formations. So it's nice, very, very nice. Again, the borders are a beautiful blue. Let's see how it actually looks. Lovely blue, contrasting borders. Let's see how it looks together with the pallu. I'll just open it out for you. Wow, beautiful, lovely, bright cyan blue, beautiful blue, electric blue, which contrasts with this bright orange. So it's a fabulous contrast. And the entire pallu has got lovely, beautiful cotton pod. There's a flower pod or a formation, and within that you have lovely leaves and floral motifs. It's beautiful motif formation, very, very traditional, looks very classy. So this is what is repeated throughout the pallu. And of course, in the very edge on both sides, you have this lovely paisley motifs, paisleys in different sizes, like in the border. The same thing comes through there. But overall, what's really stunning is the contrast of the beautiful bright fluorescent orange with the lovely electric blue. And of course, I'm sure the blouse must be a contrast as well. Yes, it's a contrast blouse, and it contrasts very, very nicely with the body and the pallu. It goes, all three of them go very well together. It's a beautiful, very, very sensational, really dazzling saree. Let's move on to the next one. Now, once more, we'll switch this time to a very demure, very mature, beautiful, lovely sandalwood pastel saree. Lovely saree, beautiful color, and it contrasts with the border on both sides. Is a beautiful color. It's a very, very lovely tone. It's kind of mixed orange and a little bit of brown. I would say it's a light chocolate brown is what I would call it. It's beautiful, and it's got lovely small border on top, lovely floral vines and floral motifs. And in the bottom, again, there are 3-4 levels of the motifs. The same thing is repeated there in one of the levels in the bottom. And then of course you have the Bhavanji flat border, and then you have a row of florals, and then you have a beautiful Kodimalar motifs on the top and on the bottom. So overall, it's a beautifully designed and formed border. And of course, it's a small border in the top and the large border on the bottom. So it's a typical morning evening border, as they say in Kanjivaram. It's a lovely saree, as you can see. If you come closer, it's lovely contrast. So let's go on to see what the pallu looks like. I'll just open it out for you. Beautiful, lovely. It's beautiful. This lovely pinkish chocolate tone is really, really nice. I mean, you could also call it a dusky pink or a chocolate brownish pink. It's beautiful color with lovely zari motifs throughout the pallu, rich zari motifs, floral motifs throughout the pallu. And of course, overall, it's got a grand appearance. This lovely sandalwood paste color with beautiful floral motifs all over the body here, plus the pallu with this lovely rich color. And of course, I'm sure the blouse must be in a contrast color as well. Yes, beautiful, lovely. The same tone continues here. Beautiful tone, lovely color, contrasts nicely with the body of the saree. And again, the weaver has done thoughtfully, also embossed the blouse also with beautiful motifs, lovely floral motifs. It's kind of a mirror image of the motifs found on the body. The same thing has been replicated here, but in an embossed form. So overall, it's a very, very classy saree. Let's go on to the next one. Last but not the least, we'll move on to this beautiful, very pretty, lovely green saree. Actually, I think this is called the traditional color. This is alli green in Kanjivaram. Beautiful alli green Kanjivaram contrasted with a beautiful cerulean blue border. Beautiful border. And if you come closer, it's got lovely floral motifs throughout across the border. On top, there's a band of zari, almost like a Bhavanji border kind of saree. And in this particular saree, if you see the border, both the top and the bottom are more or less equal borders, and the motifs across the body are beautiful, lovely, again floral formation, lovely, intricate, classic floral motif. I'll just open it out and let's see what the pallu of the saree looks like. Wow, nice. The blue contrasts beautifully with the green of the body. Lovely, and again beautiful floral bud motifs throughout the pallu, and the background is that lovely blue and the platinum gold finish. Beautiful finish of the zari. The borders have got a lovely grand zari finish. It's beautiful, it looks like, and it's edged of course with this lovely floral formation, which is very similar to what you find in the body of the saree. Same floral band comes here, and in the end you have this lovely geometric formation which is closing out the finishing of the pallu. So overall, it's very, very nice, very elegant, very classy, and this ali green and the cerulean blue go very well together. Let's see what the blouse looks like. Yes, beautiful, lovely. The cerulean blue is so pretty, and it contrasts, as you can see, the way it contrasts with both the body and the pallu. It works very well. The design works very well, and like in other blouses in this collection, there's a beautiful embossed motif which is gone across the blouse. Beautiful embossed motif. If you come closer, you can see it. And in the blouse, you can also see that this is a short color. It's not just a beautiful cerulean blue, but there is a little bit of summer. There's a bit of a green which is coming in through. Bit of the green is coming through here, so it is a short color. There's a bit of green coming through. The green which is similar to the body's green is also woven here. So in two angles, it's got a lovely, beautiful, scintillating effect. So it's very, very nice blouse which goes along with the saree. So overall, this is the saree. This is how it looks. It's a lovely, very elegant, very classy, very stunning looking color combination. So it's a beautiful saree. I hope you enjoyed seeing this collection. This collection is specially designed. We work with weavers to make out a design which is very, very specific for the festive season. Lovely. There are some muted colors. There are some lovely bright sensational colors. There are some mid colors. So there is a color combination for everyone's taste. So it's beautiful. It's all pure mulberry silk, and the pureness of Kanjivaram silk. The drape of this saree is something you must come out of the store to experience. The Avishya store is open at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet. Please come over. We have a fabulous collection of Kanjivaram sarees, and especially for the festive season, we brought together different types of Kanjivaram collection. Today we saw the Pure Silk Kanjivaram collection. So please come over. You can come, you can touch, feel, you can actually drape the saree, and the real feel and drape of this pattu. You have to come to the store and touch and feel. Please come over. We'll be happy to show you our entire collection. You can really experience the sarees and then buy them. For those of you who are not in Chennai, please log into avishya.com. The entire collection of Pure Silk Kanjivarams is available online. Our customer service staff are there online, so they will be able to help you pick whatever is your taste, and any queries that you may have, they'll be able to answer. Also, we love it if you have any comments on our videos, and please do comment and give your feedback on these videos. Of course, I'll ask you to hit the bell button, hit the like button, and so subscribe to the video so that you keep getting notified about every new video. And of course, we'd love to hear from you on what you think about our Pure Silk Kanjivaram collection. You like some of these sarees? We saw green, we saw grey, we saw beautiful magenta, we saw many sarees we saw. So of all these sarees, which are the ones which are your favorites? Please let us know which colors you like a lot, and if you'd like to see some color which we have not shown you today, please let us know, and we'll tell you whether we have it in stock and we can get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. For another bit of news for you, that we've also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app, and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.